Okay, now today we will start with chapter number second, that is polynomials. We will take the MCQs. Now, firstly, we will take the MCQs which are easy, then the level will be moderate, and after that, in the last stage, we will take the difficult ones. Okay, so like this, for every chapter, we will take the MCQs. Now, the question will be displayed in front of you every time. You will have a timer of 2 minutes, which will run on the right side corner at the bottom side. So you'll have to solve that question within the given time, that is 2 minutes only. Okay. So it will be helpful for you while exam, because in exam you'll have to solve any question in 2 minutes only. You will have maximum time limit of 2 minutes only. Now some questions are there which will require time. Okay, the difficult ones will require time, but some questions are there which will require few seconds only. So जो क्वेश्चन में आपको कम टाइम लग रहा है, आप वहां पे जल्दी से उसको अटेम्प्ट करके जो क्वेश्चन में आपको ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा वहां पे आप वो टाइम का यूटिलाइजेशन कर सकते हो. ओके, यू कैन राइट दिस क्वेश्चंस इन एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस नोटबुक. विराज. Okay, everybody note this. You will write these questions in extra questions notebook. Okay. After the session, I will send you the recording also. Okay, so shall we start the MCQ session then? Okay. Now, before starting, we will just see the contents of polynomials, what all things are going to come from this chapter. Zeros of the polynomial, a relationship between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomial, statement and simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials with real coefficient. Cubic polynomial नहीं पूछेंगे हम लोगों को. Okay, so we will not take that part. Okay. Okay, now this is the first question, and see at the bottom the timer has started. Just a second. Okay, the time has started. So this is your first question. After 2 minutes, I will solve this. For 2 minutes, you try this question. Now it was a first question, so it is an easy question. I know most of you will get the answers in few seconds only. So for such type of questions where you can save the time, आपको वहाँ पे time बचाना है, और जो lengthy questions है वहाँ पे आपको ये extra time जो आपने save किया है वहाँ पे आप इसको utilize कर सकते हो. Yes, most of you have given the answer. That is option B. So option B is the correct answer here, because this is based on the definition. Which definition it is based? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Can anyone tell me on which definition?
Zero of a polynomial.
What is zero of a polynomial, Harsh?
Sir, if a polynomial p of x of at least 1 degree and the value of x is put so that the p of x becomes 0, then the x is the zero of that polynomial.
Okay. P of x is our polynomial, and if we are having any value k, okay, that k is the value of x. If we put that value of x in the polynomial, that polynomial becomes 0. So that is called as the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, it was quite easy question. So option B is the correct answer for this. Okay. Okay, next one. Start this. Okay, so what is the answer? I don't know why the timer is not running. Okay, there might be a problem. I will have to check it. Okay. If one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is in bracket k minus 1 of x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3, then we have to find the value of k. So option A, most of you are telling that option A is correct. So we will check it. How we will check it? One of the zeros is what? Minus 3. That means one of the values of x is what? Minus 3. We will just put it in the equation. So k minus 1 multiplied by x square plus kx plus 1 equals to 0. Now, why I have done this equal to 0? Because this is a polynomial, and to get the zeros, we equate it with 0. Okay. So here we are having 1 0. So we will put it directly. So k minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 square is what? 9. This will become minus 3x. Sorry, minus 3k plus 1, which is equal to 0. So solving this, 9k minus 9 minus 3k plus 1, which is equal to 0. So 9k minus 3k is what? It is 6k. And minus 9 plus 1 is what? Minus 8. We will shift it to RHS, so it will become plus 8. So k is equal to 4 by 3. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Is it clear to you? Okay. Next one. Try this one. Option D. Radhika gave the answer. Option D. Okay. What about others? Harsh is telling option C. Only two people got the answer. Prerna Jadhav, option D. Okay. So I'll start it. What they have said here, if the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus a plus 1 in the bracket multiplied by x plus b are 2 and minus 3. That means x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 3. It is already given because these are what? These are the zeros. Okay. These are the zeros. So what we will do, we will directly put this values in the main equation. Okay. Our main equation is what? X square plus a plus 1 multiplied by x plus b is equal to 0. Okay, this is our main equation. So पहले हम लोग 2 put करेंगे तो this will become 4 plus a plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus b, it is equal to 0. So 4 plus 2a plus 2 plus b, it is equal to 0. So what we will get now here? 2a plus b equals to minus 6. This is our first equation. Now next time what we will do? We will put x is equal to minus 3. So x square plus a plus 1 multiplied by x plus b is equal to 0. Now we will put minus 3. So minus 3 square, it will become 9 plus a plus 1 multiplied by minus 3 plus b, which is equal to 0. So 9 minus 3a minus 3 plus b, it is equal to 0. So minus 3a plus b, it is equal to 6. इधर जाने के बाद ये -6 हो जाएगा. Now this is my second equation. Just solve equation 1 and equation 2 to get the values of a and b. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to -6. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. अगर आपको ये further part भी चाहिए तो I will solve it for you. Okay. 2a plus b is equal to -6. Now we will apply elimination because the coefficient of b is same. We will eliminate that variable. Okay. तो ये हो जाएगा, ये कट कट जाएगा, ये आ जाएगा -5a और ये माइनस माइनस प्लस सिक्स माइनस सिक्स, it will become 0. So a is equal to 0. Okay, put it any equation, either in equation 1 or in equation 2 to get the value of b. So if I put it in 1, so what I will get? 0 plus b, which is equal to -6. So b is equal to -6. Okay. Next one. Start this question. Nine. Harsh has got the answer as 9. Option B. Okay. Prerna also got as option B. Okay. Shravani also got K is 9. Okay. Gauri also got 9. Okay. The value of K for which minus 4 is the zero of the polynomial x square minus x minus in bracket 2k plus 2. Okay. Minus 4 is one of the zero. That means x is equal to minus 4. Okay. We will directly put it in the equation. So x square minus x minus 2k plus 2 which is equal to 0. So minus 4 का square हो जाएगा 16 and minus into minus 4 this will become plus 4. This is minus 2k minus 2 which is equal to 0. Now 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. उधर जाने के बाद हो जाएगा minus 18. So minus 2k is equal to minus 18. So k is equal to 9. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, next one. Now do with the timer only. Okay, Tejas is saying that option A. तुक्का मारोगे तो नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पे. Yes, come on. Only one person has given the answer. Tejas. Option C. Okay, Radhika has given the answer. Option C. What about others? Harsh, Viraj, Shravani, Gauri, Garv. Everybody should give the answer. Okay. Radhika Bhalekar, you gave the answer first. That is C. Why do you think that option C is the answer for this? Can you tell me the reason? Radhika Bhalekar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the reason? Yes, Radhika. Radhika, can you hear my
So,
voice?
yes, sir.
So what is the reason I'm asking? Now you said option C. Yes, that is correct. Option C is correct.
So the zeros of the quadrilateral polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, comma c not equal to 0 are equal.
Okay.
So, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0.
Okay.
X
From
square
where,
is equals to 4.
from which topic you are saying that b square minus 4ac is equal
So
to
value of discriminant has to be 0.
correct, correct, correct. We have studied in quadratic equation. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Huh. Okay. Further. Okay, fine. I will explain it. Leave it. You tried your level best. Very good. Okay. So ax square plus bx plus c it is equal to 0. अब ये तो पॉलिनोमियल है, पॉलिनोमियल को हम लोग जीरो के साथ इक्वेट करते हैं टू गेट द जीरोस. नाउ व्हाट दे हैव सेड हियर, द जीरोस आर इक्वल. ओके, अभी ये जीरो के साथ जब मैं ये पॉलिनोमियल को इक्वेट कर दूंगा तो दिस फॉर्म्स अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. यस और नो? Now this is a quadratic equation. Now after forming a quadratic equation, we have the concept of nature of roots. Now using that concept, if the zeros या फिर roots are equal, that means discriminant d is equal to 0. And what is the value of discriminant d? It is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square is equal to 4ac. Okay. Now बी पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव हो, इधर वाला साइड यानी एलएचएस का जो आंसर है, एलएचएस का जो आंसर है वो क्या आएगा? हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही आएगा. बी का वैल्यू चाहे कुछ भी हो, पॉजिटिव हो नेगेटिव हो. यस और नो? यस और नो? ओके, इधर का पॉजिटिव आएगा. दैट मीन्स LHS is equal to RHS. So RHS में भी जो वैल्यू आएगा that should also come positive. And when it will come positive, if both A and C will have same sign. चाहे तो वो दोनों नेगेटिव हो, चाहे तो वो दोनों पॉजिटिव हो. ओके, इफ दे विल हैव सेम साइन, दोनों नेगेटिव नेगेटिव भी हो तो फाइनल आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. दोनों पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव भी होंगे तो फाइनल आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इज इट क्लियर टू यू? Okay, I'll see the next one then. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 3 and 4 is, you have to find the quadratic polynomial. A is the answer. Okay, very nice. What about others? What about others? Tejas also got the answer as A. Okay. Okay, so a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 3 and 4. Okay, तो आप सीधा सीधा जीरोस ही पुट करके देख लो. ओके, ये सारे पॉलिनोमियल को आप जीरो के साथ इक्वेट कर लो. ओके, बट वन ऑप्शन इज नन ऑफ द अबव. Okay, so my opinion will be that follow the regular procedure. Okay, a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 3 and 4. So sum of zeros, what is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So minus 3 plus 4, it is equal to minus b upon a. So this will be what? 1 upon 1, which is equal to minus b upon a. Next, what is product of zeros? Alpha into beta, which is equal to c upon a. So minus 3 into 4, which is equal to c upon a. Okay, so this will be minus 12 upon 1, which is equal to c upon a. Now you can compare, here also a is 1 and here also a is 1. So what are the values of a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 12. Now just put it in the general form, you will get the polynomial. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Option A. Okay, because our general form is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. If we put the value of ABC, what it will become? X square minus x plus, sorry, minus 12, because c is also minus. Okay, so option D is the answer. Okay, next one. I have sent you the attendance link also. Okay, option B is the answer. A quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are minus 3 and 2 is. You have to find the quadratic polynomial. Yes. Natal, Swaraj, they have given the answer as B. Can you explain me, Natal, why the answer is B?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Bolo.
So it is given that the sum of the zeros is minus 3. So we know that sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. So we will write minus b by a is equals to minus 3 by 1.
Okay. Minus 3 by 1.
And
Correct.
so the product of zeros is c by a. So c by a is equals to 2 upon 1. So
Correct.
from here we get a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 2. So from general formula we can write x square plus 3x plus 2.
Correct. Correct. Everything is correct. Okay. Okay. We'll move to the next question. Yes. Try this one. Shravani, no problem. If you are getting the correct answers, no issue. You can use any formula, any method. No problem. Now we are doing MCQs. So for MCQs, what is our main requirement? जितना जल्दी आप solve करोगे उतना अच्छा है. You will save your time for some other questions. Okay, Harsh got the answer as minus 3 by 7. Only 2 people got the answer for this question. Okay, time up. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, f of x is equal to 4x square plus 3x plus 7. This is our polynomial. We have to find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, what it comes. Okay. So first what we will do, we will simplify this part only. So if we do the cross multiplication, alpha plus beta upon alpha beta it will come. यानी आपको sum of zeros upon product of zeros की value निकालना है आपका जो polynomial given है. So what is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros यानी अल्फा प्लस बीटा इट विल कम माइनस बी अपॉन ए. तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा की वैल्यू क्या होने वाली है फिर -3/4. ओके. और अल्फा इंटू बीटा क्या है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस होता है सी अपॉन ए. सी का वैल्यू है 7. 7 अपॉन ए दैट इज 4. जस्ट पुट बोथ द वैल्यूज हियर -3/4 and 7/4. 4 in the denominator gets cancelled, so the answer is -3/7. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Okay, last question, we will take last question. Okay, Harsh got the answer as B. What about others? See, those who will follow this series seriously, they will definitely gain more marks in exam. Okay, you should follow the timer also, 2 minutes timer also. Okay, now the time is up. So definitely I will discuss this question tomorrow and we will continue with the next question from tomorrow. Okay. Mark your attendance.